If you are wondering if we have temperature sensor available on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then the answer is yes. You can measure the temperature of an object or a body, and the sensor is located at the back over here below the camera flashlight. Now, in order to find the app that is used to check the temperature, you need to find the thermometer app in the app drawer, which should be pre-installed. But if for some reason you don't have this app, you can go to the Play Store and you can simply search for thermometer. And you might need to either install it or update it. Make sure that this is the app that you selected, the Pixel thermometer made by Google. And of course, if you open it, you will have to grant permissions, and then we can choose if you want to measure the temperature of an object or your body or someone else's body. And of course, in addition to that, you can find the instruction in case you need that, how to use it. So make sure to follow these instructions to properly measure the temperature. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.